Are you looking for a top portable electronic drum set for kids? You've come to the right place. We've compiled a list of the best options available today, all of which are perfect for kids who want to start learning drums. From budget-friendly sets to high-quality products, we've got you covered. So let's get started with the list. List number 1, PAXCESS Electronic Drum Set. PAXCESS Digital Drum Set supports headphones. By wearing a set of headphones while you play the drum, you can be as quiet as a church mouse while rocking out like you're playing Madison Square Garden. Not only do they make practice quieter, but electronic drums also make practicing more efficient, perfect for private practice or late-night playing. The PAXCESS electronic drum set is a simple and affordable way to get started playing music. It includes a snare drum, 3 toms, crash cymbal, ride cymbal and hi-hat cymbal. This set is loaded with features including 5 tones, 8 demo songs and 3 rhythms. The play-along option allows you to play along with songs or even solo over the entire kit. The 2-foot pedals provide quick access to volume control and independent bass and hi-hat volume control. The built-in rechargeable battery powers up to 10 hours of playing time per charge, perfect for practice anywhere or on the go. You can wear headphones while you play or carry it easily in your backpack when going outdoors. PAXCESS Electronic Drum Set challenges you and your kids to play custom-made beats by creating incredible music and fun experiences. With 7 pads, you can play different styles of music with this practice drum set. The built-in 2400 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery will allow you to play for 10 hours when charged. List number 2, Alesis Drums Turbo Mesh Kit Electric Drum Set with 100+ sounds. The Alesis Drums Turbo Mesh Kit brings a true 6-screen TD4 drum module packed with 100+ authentic drum sounds plus 18 play-along tracks and play modes, including 2 different kits for everything from Latin grooves to hip-hop rhythms. For the ultimate drumming experience, look no further than the Alesis Turbo Mesh Kit. With its uncompromising, genuine feel and ultra-quiet rebound, our exclusive mesh heads are the undisputed preference of modern drummers, providing an uncompromising natural feel and ultra-quiet response, ideal for those late-night practice sessions. Fueling the Turbo Mesh Kit is the Turbo Electronic Drum Module loaded with in-demand percussion sounds, ready-to-play kits and built-in play-along tracks. Turbo Mesh Kit. Audiophile. All mesh drumheads have an unrivaled sense of feel, articulation and sound. They are made with the latest generation of high-tech sensors that provide an amazingly effortless feel, rounder body and organic sound with maximum resonance, the perfect blend for modern playing styles. Each drumhead features extra sensor core wraparound foam for professional grip and comfort plus a silent bearing edge for decreased noise and faster playing response. It's not just about the feel. Alesis Turbo Kit features a core sound set ready for any genre you throw at it. With 100+ drum and cymbal sounds, expertly curated into a collection of 10 ready-to-play kits, we give you everything you need to supercharge your performance. List number 3, Pile Portable Drums. The Pile Portable Drums is a great choice for aspiring musicians who want to practice the drumming skills at home or away from the studio. It's tough and durable, weather-resistant and compact. The included AC adapter lets you plug the drums in to play along with your favorite tracks. And when you're done, just disconnect from USB and you're ready to dive into the next performance. Pile Portable Drums is designed to resemble, sound and play like an actual drum set at a fraction of the size. You don't need to be in a room together to practice. Connect the drums table to your computer using the USB cable. It'll function as a MIDI controller for your favorite computer software. This portable drum kit is powered by the included AC adapter, or you can go wireless and runs on batteries, 6C size batteries. With the Pile Portable Drums, you have the best of both worlds, an authentic sounding drum set with the portability you need. This 14-piece drum set is designed to resemble, sound and play like an actual drum set, but it's portable enough to take with you wherever your musical journey takes you. The batteries are included. A C adapter power this musical piece and allow you to go wireless when connected via Bluetooth connectivity. Pump up the volume with the digital drum machine and play for a crowd, or take advantage of the headphone jack and plug in your headphones for a personal drumming session. List number 4. PAXCESS Portable 9-Pad Multifunction Electronic Drum Set. The PAXCESS 9-Pad Multifunction Electronic Drum Set is a fun and portable drum set which works in multiple ways. The dream for every drummer is to be able to play an instrument anywhere and anytime. With PAXCESS, this hope can finally become a reality. This upgraded version includes 9 pads, 3 toms, 2 hats, 1 kick, 1 snare, 1 ride, 1 crash, and 2 foot pedals, allowing you to create a wide range of sounds while on the go. This upgraded version of our popular portable drum set. This set is a fun and portable drum set that can be used anywhere. There is an MP3 input so your child can practice their beats along to a track. The output can either be via headphones or a speaker, meaning they can share their music with others or practice quietly if preferred. This is a great way to help them improve. They can start with easy tracks, then gradually build up to something more complex over time. PAXCESS electric drum pad is perfect for practicing anywhere and everywhere. Unlike a non-electric drum set, our PAXCESS electronic roll-up drum set can be completely moved from place to place with ease. The pad is also waterproof, meaning it can stand up to a few minor accidents. A great way to learn and practice the drums product. List number 5. Pile Pro Electronic Drum Kit. Pile Pro Portable Electronic Drum Kit is a portable music-making machine designed to create and edit drum beats, mixes and loops with the touch of a button. This computerized tabletop drum set comes equipped with 55 preloaded presets, 10 custom drum kits, 300 plus cymbal, drum sounds, including bass drums, snare drums, hi-hats, ride cymbals, shakers and percussion. It also has a special onboard drum trainer for beginners, starter to learn feel of the drums before playing on it. This electronic drum kit has 7 power tom-toms, hi-hat, bass drum digital pedal controller to reproduce full drum set sound with tom-toms, hi-hat, snare, crash and ride cymbal, perfect for professional and beginner. It also has an O-in jack for connecting other devices and can be amplified using headphone or earbuds. The table drum is wireless using Bluetooth 4.0 wireless connection that connects to your tablet or smartphone by simply downloading our app to create music or import music from your computer via USB. The foot pedal gives you perfect control over every aspect of your drumming experience, from your cymbal strokes to individual drum strokes in each song. You can even connect it directly to your computer using a USB cable or O cable, so you can use this as an external MIDI controller device.